Yep, that tastes like diabetes. My sweat and blood went into this tea. Everything is dying, including my will to finish today. Hi, it's me, Mama Mila, and welcome to another episode of At Home with Mama Mila. Me. So we are in my kitchen. Lord Jesus, it is late. We've been going all day. Just let me survive this last episode and we are done with this season. Let's talk about sweet tea. People love sweet tea at the restaurant. They keep telling me we have the best sweet tea. I mean, I think it's delicious, but it's weird to live in a place your whole life where there's no such thing as sweet tea, and then to come here, everybody drinks sweet tea. When Mateo and I moved out of our Airstream, we moved to a little tiny rental that we loved off of East 9th. I mean, it's not the best neighborhood, but I will tell you something. We ate over there. And one day I got invited to a fish fry for meal day. And there was this sweet little black lady and she made peach sweet tea. Now listen, I don't want to get comments of people like, wow, that's unhealthy. And like the trolls living in their mom's basement who go, wow, fat girl, look at what you're making, blah, blah, blah. You listen to me. This is not a healthy tea. This is what it is. And we're gonna make it tonight. Let's talk about ingredients. First, we have 3 cups of cold filtered water, baking soda. I've got a cup of sugar. It looks like this because it's organic. Don't come after me. 4 tea bags. She said you have to use Louisiana. It's the one in the red box. I hope I said that right. I'm so sorry. I'm Italian. And then, yes, a can of peaches in heavy syrup. Don't come after me. Now behind me, we've got 3 cups of boiling water, okay? I've also got this because we are going to put these peaches in here and put them in a blender, okay? And this is my ghetto blender I have at home. So let's make this tea. Into our 3 cups of boiling water, we're going to put 4 tea bags. We're going to steep this for 3 minutes. We're going to put a pinch of baking soda. I can't really remember the reason why she told me to do this, but we're doing it. Let's move on to the peaches. Okay, we're going to put a can of peaches in this nifty blender, and we are gonna blend it up. So first in our pitcher, I'm gonna pour our cold water in the messiest way possible, apparently. I'm gonna stick in a silver serving utensil. That way, when I pour the hot into the cold, it doesn't break the glass. There's a little tip for ya. All right, so after we blended up that whole can of peaches, we're gonna pour it back into the same pot that we had our tea in because your girl's not making more dishes. We're gonna add in a cup of sugar. Here we go. Now we're gonna take it to the burner, and on medium heat, we're just gonna heat it up until all that sugar is dissolved. Okay, so now that our sugar is all dissolved, we're gonna pour it right into the pitcher. Stir it up well. Let's pour it over a big cup of ice. We're gonna add in a couple peach slices and a lemon to make it pretty. And here we go. Let's see if I did her justice. Yep, that tastes like diabetes. Dang, but it's good though. It's delicious. But I think it needs one thing. Mateo. Come here, baby. He's been working all day at the restaurant while I've been here filming. It's supposed to be on bed rest, but my bed rest starts right after we're done with this. I made you something special.
Yeah.
Some bourbon sweet tea.
I definitely need it after today, so yeah.
Oh God, it's not so hard. Ooh, this is the good stuff. Like that much? How hard was your day?
A little bit harder.
It was
not
very
much.
Rough, hard day.
That's perfect.
Smells so freaking good.
I can smell it from here.
Oh my God. Okay,
All right.
here we go. Come closer to me. Act like you love me.
All right. That is sweet and delicious.
Do I need to open a cocktail lounge after I pop this kid out? Maybe. Isn't it delish?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you.
Love you, baby.
Thank you. Stay here with me. Love me. I'm so needy. Thank you for coming and enjoying our last episode of the season of At Home with Mama Mila. Don't forget, I love seeing you at the restaurant. I love meeting you in person. I love talking with you. I love when you come into my home and spend time with me. Most of all, I love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tanti Baci. Till next time.